So Will, good morning. Nice to
Good
see you
morning.
this
Thank you.
morning.
You
So
too.
you're going to be joining us online on December 9th to teach a course called Fundamentals of Reserves. So what is that course all about?
Yeah, Fundamentals of Reserves is a course I've been teaching for probably over 10 years now. And I think it's a great introductory course for board members, for managers, anybody who is new to or unfamiliar with association budgeting, particularly when it comes to reserves and reserve studies. But even for more experienced managers, people who have put together budgets for many years, I think there's a lot of great material. We talk about National Reserve Study standards. We talk about the difference between operating money and reserve money, how reserve studies are used by communities. We go over the Florida statutes. I think it's a very comprehensive hour that will be very useful, very helpful to everybody in the audience.
Amazing. That sounds like a ton of great information, and we really look forward to having you conveniently online
Yeah,
on the 9th. So hopefully everybody will have a chance to join us there and get this great information. So thank you so much, Will. We look forward to seeing you
okay.
then.
Thank you. See you all on the 9th. Thank you.